Okay. Uh, hey, 1 second. Hey, good morning, Todd. Okay. Yeah, today is just first day for us, so let me introduce you a little bit about me. I am Meow. Okay, and yes, now Todd. Today we are going to study. Actually, it's not just study. We are going to play and learn together. Okay. So, have you heard about Sketch program before? Okay. Today I will let you to go with me. Okay, just walk through together. Slow down and not worry about if I going too fast. Just told me, okay? So we are just come to play together today. Okay, so can you go to the internet and just go to google.com? You see my screen, right? Can you see? It's clear for you? Okay, and we are going to go to Scratch button. Can you type Sketch? SCRATCH, and then enter. Okay, you see this one, the first one when you search. Yes. No, I mean, I see now on the first one. That's why I asked you. Okay. You see my screen, right? We are the same screen now. Okay, you see the first one is Scratch Imagined and Program. That's link. Can you just click in? Okay, click in. Okay. Okay, so if you said that you never know about Scratch, that's correct. So it looks like okay. So let me show you. So let me sign it out because I already have a username and password. So you don't have username and password. That correct? Okay. So it's like now you see my screen. We are the same screen now. Let's fun. Are you sleepy? So oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay, now we are on the same screen. So let me introduce you to show you a little bit. It's not need to worry about, you need to know everything, okay? You not need to know everything, but just let me to introduce you to just a little bit the program we are going to learn together for 10 days and we plus for 1 day for free. So we will be together, play and learn for 11 days, okay? So just be relax. Okay, here you are like a scratch. It's just like something will make you to do things. Okay, okay, whatever. So this is just the nav bar. It's come down when you scroll down. You will see on the right side. On the right side, can you see? Yeah, where my mouse moving. You see a watch video, right? I will give you 1 minute to watch this video. Please, when you finish, and just tell me, okay? Yeah. When you finish, tell me, okay? Okay, you finish. So after you just watch video 1 minute, what do you think Scratch program can do? Make games and other? Make cartoon and animation, right? So we can make like a telling story from this program that we're gonna make projects for all day we will be together. Okay, come back to like on the right side. You see my mouse moving here, and it say the bottle say start creating. Oh, left side. You see like start creating, right? Okay, click it. Hmm? You need to be my student, okay? Okay, your screen as same as mine? Okay, we already see this video, so just click and close it, okay? Okay, coming here, give me like about 10 minutes or a little bit not over than 15 minutes, but if I'm going too fast, just tell me, okay? I will introduce you to Scratch work of projects a little bit like Scratch program. We are going to use okay. Yeah, actually, I don't think in Thai, It's like I need to think in English. Yeah, I know. Like, yeah, I know. Thai. Okay, so okay, what you say like? Not give me. For the next 10 day or 15 minutes, I will introduce you to all the two. Honey, I'm trying to be like relaxed. You always like, but that's okay. Thank you. I am trying to finish in 1 hour. Okay. Okay. For the next 10 minutes to 15 minutes, I will introduce you to all the tools we are going to use in this class. Okay. And if I going too fast, just told me and like, oh, teacher, I don't know use it. Or you just call me a female. Okay. We are friends today. Okay. Here we are on the top bar. The blue one is like a logo Scratch, right? Not worry about that. And they are like a logo, like a word icon. This is the language. You can choose whatever language, but we are going to teach to choose in English, so not need to change. And like files and edit and tutorials. So it's not worry about it. And then I will move on to the next one. We are going to use on these two a lot. Like there are like a three tab here, three tabs here. So like okay, this the first one is we call code, right? You see that? You see my mouse moving? Okay. Here is like a tool for using or control our character. Okay, let me introduce a little bit about character. Move to my mouse here. This is like the character we see on the cat. So we will have a lot of character, but I will tell you later, okay? Slow down, not worry about. Not need to remember all the time because we will go through this together. Slow, okay? And this one is motion. The blue one, the first one is motion. Motion is used to like moving character around, like go to left or right or up and down, okay? Or like turn around. something like that. It's just like for moving. The next one, looks. Looks is like you can change character to be like your style, like change a size, how to say, how to speak, how to think, or can change to the next costume or next backdrop. That's okay. Or you can use to hide or show. That's we call looks. The next one is sound. Sound is like just sound, right? You can make your character say something like the cat, the character cat is can say meow meow, okay? Like start sound or something. That's we will going to use like playing sound. Next one, the yellow one is event. This is very important because every time we will come to this one first because event is can control your character. It's like start or click or do some things that the first one we will going to use this one, okay? And I will explain to you later because we are going to use a lot. And the next one, the orange one, we call control. Control is used to control your games or your character to move around on the games, or like you want to repeat how many times or the condition if you want them to move, okay? It's like control our character or cartoon in our projects. The next one, sensing. Sensing is like something like a touching, like when your character touching something, we will make them to do something. Like if touching the bunch or some things, they will do something. So I will tell you later, okay, not worry about, just slow down and go together. You don't need to remember other things, okay? The next one, operators. Operators we use to like it's like a number. Like if you want to do some things or they are like it's like conditioned, and we can use them to make a number or condition or making score, okay? Like for games, example like okay, like I learned English. I know. We will use operator. Okay, operator allow you to use math. To character take an action, okay? Okay, next one, variables. Variable is like something you can store your score or your like actually we will use like when we want to make a game. So we can make like make a variable by yourself. Yeah, okay. Variables let you store information in them, and also you can make by yourself. For example, okay. For example, if you want, if you were going to make a game, so we can make a variables and store our score to make a games, okay? And not worry about that so much. And like next one is my blog. My blog allow you to create your blogs, like freedoms or something like blogs. We will use. Okay, my blogs allow you to create custom your own blogs, correct? Create your own custom blog. Yeah. Okay, and move on to the left button. And if you click it, you see, right? Scratch program also have a lot of tools to allow you to use. So, but we're not going through all because we need to save our time to do our projects, right? I know you want to do project now, but slow down and keep it down. I will let you to do soon, okay? Move to the next one, costume. Costume is like a character. Every character have different costume. So like you see on my screen, right? This is cat. Cat have like two costume. You see? Okay. Okay, honey. I know. Like, I try to. Okay, but thank you. No, no, no. I know, but like, let me think in English. In Thai. No, no. That's why you teach me English, right? So, but actually, when I teach in Thai. So, yeah, every like, costume มีหน้าตาหลายแบบมี Yes I say หน้าตาหลายแบบ is different that's why looks is หน้าตา so but like honey can you be please sit down and like follow me because I will teach you to draw now like okay yeah เป็นถามมาก okay thank you so much so let me learn English that's I really appreciate that okay hey Todd while you study you need to pay attention okay because we going to make like 12 uh 22 projects so if you not pay attention it means you're not gonna finish okay good boy okay costume is like the character looks you also can change your looks your character look like if like okay example if you want to this one like you see my mouse moving here if you want to make a cat like a devil cat an angry cat you can make them too you know this big mouth some things teacher said that teacher said that as I remember yeah yeah and they just laughing yeah okay or you can make like a color right you can change them color something like if you want cat like have a red eye you can change like, but you need to move here like use this one and click then make ooh. And if like oh I don't want to be like this you can undo here see okay that's it for costume more yes okay move to the next one is sounds like every character that I have a sounds right like can you click this one what you see what you hear can you hear sounds yeah okay that is cat have one voice but if you want to change you can also change their sounds too you know like faster slow or louder you know or softer something like this and also okay I need to be patient with this student อดทนมากๆ okay so if you also don't like that sound you can change to other sound too like if you move down to the left one the bottle on the left score on screen you see like this one you see my mouse okay so you also can easily like choose a sound so you can import or upload from your computer you can make the programs like random for you any sounds or you can record your sounds like by clicking something and then just like record allow something hello 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 Yeah, when you play, you will see your voice. So that's it, you know. And also you can go here, and then there are many sounds here. Sorry, a little bit slow. Okay. So like there are many sounds here. You can choose. You can click and listen. You want to try? Like animal, something blah blah. So it's a lot. So we will move back later. We'll come back here later. Okay, not worry about. And come back to code. And you see here, the area, like the white area, we are going to use our close box on this area. What is it called, honey? I forget. Yeah. Oh, 1 second, 1 second. They are happening. 1 second. Some script area. Okay. This one you see like all whiteboard here. We will use we will use all close box code blocks here. We call script area. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the our character. Let the one I introduced you first time, but you still don't know what it's called. This area is called state. State is used to show our character here, and we can see many character here, but the characters we know as sprites. We're going to call them sprites, okay? When I say sprite, it means character. Okay, also sprites can change their names, like on here, it's like sprite name 1, right? I can change, also you can change like name, like meow, because it's like a cat, it's so cute, right? Okay, and you also can hide and show them on the stage. Also, you can change them size. If you feel like it's too small, you can change like 300. Wow, it's big now, right? You have a cat, it's so big now. So let me move it back because it's too big for me. So let me change to 90. So like you can increase or decrease the size of the sprites. And also you can do like a direction, like moving around 90 degree or up and down, something like this. Okay, you see my screen, right? Okay, and come down here, you see like an icon like a cat. Here is like for choose a sprite. So it's same as like you can upload sprites from your computer, or you can let the programs random do a sprite character for you, or you can also draw, like if you want to something here, but we'll move on later. Not worry about. Okay, I'm going to click and delete it. Oh, and sorry, I moved too fast. Just tell me if I do too fast, okay? Okay, and you also can click here, and they are going to where is a lot of sprites here. They stock or a lot of sprites for you, like they are like animal, people, fantasy, like elves or fairy if you like it, or for dancing or something, a lot, but we will come to use after when we start to make our programs or our project. Okay, not worry about. And the last one I want to introduce you is this is like if you see like state, it's just white, right? It's quite boring. You want to have like more colorful, or you want to do other things, it's just not white. It's make me, I don't want to do, so come here is because sprite, oh no, backdrop, state backdrop. You can also change backdrop too by just uploading from your computer, or let them random for you, or you can draw or paint by yourselves. Also, they have a lot for you too, or click and go inside. Like, yeah, a lot, right? So maybe we want to make like, oh, I'm going to do go to the desert or go to concerts or go to beach. You can choose all here, like underworld or space, go to another world, like universe, something, we can make any games together. Okay, so we are going to use this one for our class, or if you want to make by yourself, we will move on here after. Okay, Hanya. Finish when I introduce you for all the two videos. So let's move on to make our projects. Are you excited for? I know you want to make it now. Okay, just follow me slow and slow. Follow me, okay? First one, I want you to change color of the character. You want to shoot another sprite or you want to use a cat? Let me move. Let me choose other character, okay? Oh, you like cat? Let me move to, I love this one. Okay. Now let's just delete the cat out. Okay. Follow me. And I'm going to change the size to more smaller. And the first character we are going to do is change them color. Okay. Which one? Go here. Choose a sprite. See. Okay here. Go down. Yeah. Chica. I think it's like on fantasy, honey. I think. Yeah. Fantasy. See? If you click on fantasy, you will see it a lot. I know you like fantasy. Okay, so we are going to change the Kika name. You want to change name or no? Kika, meow. Yep. So I will let you to change the color like this. What we are going to use, come here to event, right? Like I told you, the first one will come to event. Click event and move when this sprite click. What's this called? I forget. Block area. Okay. Move to block area. And you follow me? I don't know what in Thai. Script area, honey. Yeah. Okay. Click when this sprite click to click area. Script area. And you do it? Huh? Okay, so first one, we're going to change them color. Which one you're going to use? Looks, right? Because we want to change their looks. I know you still not remember all when I introduce you. No worry, I will tell you, okay? Come to looks and, okay, which one we will going to change their color? Okay, very good boy. Okay, change color. And can you click like, boop, boop. The color was changed, right? Click when this spike click. Or you can click like on the sprite, it's like here. You see here? The color changes. Like my sprites already change color. Right? Nice. Can you do it? Very good. Good boy. Okay, just move to here because the next one we are going to, okay, choose another sprite. Okay, which one you're going to? Just let me see which I want. I'm going to fantasy again because I like fantasy. I'm going to use dragon. Ooh. Let me change size. It's too big now. Maybe 60. Okay. Done. Which character, which sprite you choose? Huh? Bat. Oh, bat. It's so cute. Okay, so next one we will make the sprite to turn around. Okay, so first we will go to when this sprite click. Again, move to script area. Done. Okay, and then we move to, because we want them to move, right? So come to the first one, motion. Yeah, and then I want you to make like turn around. Which one you want, you will use? Okay, very good boy. Move to and just like push under this spike click. Finish. And you click sprite. You see something happen? Yeah, and how about if you want to move them forever? Like non-stop. By just not clicking. Like when you click one time and just let them like turn off forever. Okay, I will tell you. We come to control. Click on the control button. And which one? If you want them to turn like forever. Okay, good. So just use forever and cover turn. And you click sprite. Wow, like this, right? How your bat look like? It's like, oh my god, I'm Daisy now. Okay, so just stop and move to other. Okay, let me stop. I feel dizzy now. And I also will move the direction to let them back to 90 degree. Yeah. Okay. And we move to the next sprite. We're going to use like change costume and sounds. Okay. Okay. Go to use another sprite. You already used that, right? Going to change costume, right? This one I want to do. Okay, let me use this. Okay. Okay, you're done? Take your time. Many sprites. It's just so fun. It's just fun, right? Tell me when you finish. Okay. What you got? Okay. Which sprite you got now? We will let okay. We will let them to have a sound and change their costume. How excited, right? Okay. First, we'll come to event again. And yeah, we will use when this sprite click move to script area. Okay. And we come to looks because we will change them like next to change their costume, right? We come to looks. Events, yes. Yes. And we will change them to be next costume, right? Switch costume. Yeah, looks. And which one you're going to use? Yes, very good. Just move and put it down on when this sprite clicks. And you see my mouse move here? Like my character, my sprite, they are like, you see, when you click it down, like, how to say, drop down, right? My character have like 3 or 4 sweet costume, 3, 4 costume, right? But when we click here, you see like, I want to change, right? The first one. But how if we want them to change? Why just when we click just one time? Okay, we will choose switch costume, the other blocks, and move and put here. How many costume for like your sprites? Your sprite have okay. You want to do 4 or just 2? Okay. So if you want, like if you have 4, I'm going to use like 4 because my sprites have 4 character. 4 costume. Okay. And when I click the first one to like, how to say, like the first one, like the start character is A, right? Ballet A, and then we move to ballet B, and then move to ballet C, ballerina, and D, the last one. And when I click, it's not moved, right? You see. What's about you? What happened? Yes, it's very good. So we come to other one, control. We need to control, right? So we need them to wait a little bit to move to other costume. So which one we want to use? What? Okay. Okay, that's good. So we just move and put down at the first costume. Yeah, and I'm going to change a little bit, like not too long. Maybe move to 2 seconds, 0.2 seconds. Okay. I'm going to use another one also. So, can you do it? Not worry, slow down, give your time. I take your time. Okay, you done? See? It's like a ballet, right? Yeah, very cool. Okay. Okay. How long now? Okay. We still have some time. We will do like 2 more, okay? Yes. 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 The look comes. Uh, take time, honey. I don't know. I'm come too far. It's good. That's okay, honey. Yep. Actually, only 10 minutes. Actually, maybe 1 hour. Ah, that's okay. I already, but like, let me move to corrector and just done. Okay, I'm going fast, okay? Okay, I understand. That's okay. This job is important. Okay. Okay. Todd, can you non Todd? We choose the other sprites. Yes. Okay. Okay. This time we're going to let them like move right and back. Okay. So first we come to event, and when this sprite click, okay, and we want them to move. Which one we going to use? Move. Motion, okay. So just motion. And we want them to move back and go and back, right? Like right and left. So we use 2 block of move. On a 10 step, you can change like to other number. Maybe you feel like 10 step is just like too short. I'm going to change to 30. Done? Okay, when you click, what happened? Oh my God, right? Okay, you don't understand, right? When I tell you. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, that's why I said I want to tell you. Like move, right? And when we click, it just move to the same side, right? How are we going to move them back? No, like we move to 30 and then we just do like minus 30, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and but when we click, it's just nothing happen, right? Yeah, so what is it? Because 30 and 30 is just 0, right? So we're going to control them. Go to control and let them wait a little bit between move. Okay, I'm going to use like a point, like half second. When you click, oh, yes. And how if you want them to just move forever? Yes. So just use control and forever, combo. Oh, you see? Yes. You correct your sprite dancing, right? Ping, 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 ping. Oh, honey, I forget one. Yes. South. South. Okay. How if we want to make this character, this sprite to have a sound? We go to sound, right? Sound. And choose a sound. Actually, I should use on the third one. That's okay. Now it's just like, if I know that, I forget. It's just like, hi. Okay, we let, what's his name? Cassie. Cassie is just dancing, right? Maybe we want him to have a sound like dancing. It's just dancing without sound. It's just not fun, right? Okay, so we're going to start the sound. Can you hear it? The sprite have sound now? Yeah. Or you can also record your sound too. Okay, it's fun, right? Okay, I will move in down and okay, we have only 10 minutes or 5 minutes now. 10 minutes, okay? I will let you to choose another sprite. Which one? น้อง Todd going to use? Okay, you choose it. Take your time. Okay, this time we're not going to use event when click sprites. We will use when space key place because sometimes you not want to click sprite, but you want to click on your space key, right? Key space, right? So we will use when space key place. Okay, look at my screen now. Can you see like you can use like up arrow, down, right, and left? But today we just use space, okay? And I want you to make, when you click sprite, I want you to make your sprite turn around, like turn around, just turn around. Which one you going to use? Yes, correct. Very good boy. Yeah, just go to motion and use space. Yeah, your sprite is moving now. Aha, very good. How about if you want them to turn forever? Control and, or maybe like you want to use them like repeat like 10 times, like click one time on space and then just let them to repeat 10 times. You can also use repeat 10 times or many times cover turn degree, right? Like, okay, I will let them to do like 30 times, repeat 30, and then flap, and then when 30, they will just stop. And the last one, before we finish class, you see like our state, it just look like boring, right? So I want you to choose black dot to make your space more fancy, more wonderful. Okay. Oh, sorry, I go too fast. Come to the right side. You see like an icon? Ah, right, yeah. Right, on the bottle, on the right side. Yeah. Okay, choose a backdrop. So we just choose whatever you want to. I'm going to use a dish. Hey, now. Okay. You done yet? Which you choose? The backdrop is fun. Okay, the last one before we finish. Yes. You want to save your project? So we go to join our Scratch here, or because you said you don't have username password, right? Just go join Scratch. Honey, this one, like if you don't want to join, not worry, but I just want to say my script, okay? Okay, like just click join Scratch and you create username and your password, okay? But because I already have Scratch, so I'm going to log in. Okay, And here, when you already log in, they are like, you see like on the block, the white one, you can make your project name. That's just very important. Or maybe if you don't want to do, you can just do there, like they're random for you, okay? Yeah, yeah. Honey, I see the video. They sit with their children. They will do for them. Or sometimes they already have like the children, the boy I watching now. I was watching video. He already has a username and password, but he doesn't remember. So like now I was on the Thursday now. So, well, the first day he sit with mom, and second he sit with dad, and the third is like some kind like a dad too, I think. So they also help them while he do. And here, okay, I will just continue my. Okay, you can save your project here, and then you see like a share, right? If you want to share to other people, you can just click share, and it's going to save for you automatically. And you see like you already see inside, and that your project was saved and shared to other friends. You also can go to see here where your projects is. You just click on my stuff, right? When you click my stuff, you're going to see like your project here. Because it's I already create, so that's why I have. Okay, not worry. Because all here, when you finish with our class, you're going to have like 22 projects and share to other friends. Okay, and for today we finish class, and thank you so much. We'll see you next class. Okay, tomorrow at 8:30. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much.